Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily set alert in TradingView. Let's assume you want to analyze a token, but you don't want to stay glued to your screen all day watching the price action. You just want to analyze, set your alert and walk away. Once the price triggers and you receive a notification, you can hop in to your chosen exchange and place your order. So to do this is pretty simple. All you have to do is to open up your TradingView, then select the pair that you want to analyze. Once you're done with your analysis like you have seen here, then you place your cursor in that particular area where you want to monitor the price. As you can see on my screen, I want to monitor the price at 108,388.8. So what you have to do next is just to click on this plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, then you will see this pop up where you have to add alert on BTC USDT perpetual at 108,388.8. So once I click on it, the alert will be added. You can see this black arrow. This black arrow actually signifies that the alert has been added. For you to actually confirm that the alert is active, you have to click on this alarm icon here. Once you click on the alarm icon here, it will show you the number of active alerts that you have. So that's basically how you can add alerts in TradingView. So if you found this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.